Tom Pohl, tell me about your next hack of the week.
So this week I was on an internal penetration test with a client, and I had the need for access to the credentials for a machine account, and I didn't have any. But I did get a lot of information out of their Active Directory. And so I recently read a blog article by TrustedSec, and it alerted me to something I wasn't aware of, and that's pre-Windows 2000 created computer accounts, or computer accounts created with pre-Windows 2000 compatibility. The default password for the machine account is the computer name without the $ in lowercase. And so armed with that information in a timely manner this week, I went to the information that I had about the machines that were on the network, and I found one that was created about 13 years ago that had never logged in. And with that, I was able to figure out, sure enough, the default credential was in play. I didn't follow the instructions from the blog article. I actually went ahead and used that machine account and was able to obtain a Kerberos ticket with the untrusted machine account, which then actually made it a trusted credential. And I was able to then land and expand and do what I needed to do in order to gain more access to the client network and issue a certificate based upon the machine account with the certificate authority in a way that I wouldn't otherwise been able to.
So what are your takeaways for everyone?
So the takeaway is that you should audit your Active Directory network. If you do create or have a need to create pre-Windows 2000 compatible computer accounts, make sure you join them to the domain right away so their passwords get reset to something that's more secure. And also I'd go back through and remove any machines from your Active Directory that don't exist or have never logged into the account or into the domain.